So you're on VLC and you try to play a video and you try to sync it by pressing some place. So what happens is, as you can see, the frame freezes for a few seconds. The audio keeps playing, the frame freezes, and then it takes a while for it to show again. Now I had this problem in Windows 11, I have this problem in Windows 10, so it's not linked to the particular Windows 11 or 10 issue. And I tried changing a lot of the graphic settings, this and all that. Ultimately I couldn't really find a solution for it. Okay, and I guess this is not there any top priority for anyone to fix it, so it's not getting fixed anytime soon. So my solution was to actually use another app. It's called MPV. Okay, so MPV is bare minimum app, it works just fine. The problem is it does not have the right click file menu and all those things in detail, so it might be too difficult for someone who's trying to move to it. But there is another app, it's called mpv.net. so they just took MPV and added a bunch of UI features, so it's a little more easier for new people to use. And if I try to play it on mpv.net, if you are using you will see wherever I press, wherever I click, it immediately plays. So there is no more lag of 2 to 4 seconds. Okay, maybe they fix it on VLC because even I got used to VLC for quite some time. Okay, oh yeah, and the menu I was talking about, so this is the menu. This is not existing on MPV app, so that might be a little confusing for many people, and the shortcuts are different from VLC. But at least the main problem, since this is a very common thing for me to do, uploading things to YouTube, going through videos at particular frames, it needs to work right away, snap fast. Okay, I can't wait every 2 or 4 seconds after clicking. So yeah, I have completely switched over to mpv.net. I had some issues earlier when I was new to this, so all the shortcuts are different. I have still not gotten used to them. I'm still in my head everything is of VLC, but at least the main problem of saving time, I am not wasting time just waiting for the video to play anymore. So that's all.